I'm making fried rice. Not really, literally rice, but it's cauliflower rice. I have some butter, 2 tablespoons, and we're gonna saute some onions and garlic. Okay, and mushrooms. And then we're going to add our you want to make sure it gets real nice and crispy. We don't want the mushy fried rice. Okay. You can add a little bit sesame oil. I have a bag, 12 ounce or 10 ounce Aldi brand, whatever, rice cauliflower. I normally use a fresh ones, but I didn't have time today. But they're just as good. It's frozen. Usually I don't like frozen vegetables. I always use fresh. But this one is called for, because now I don't have to steam then the squeezed cauliflower. It just, the rice comes out of the bag. I didn't have to defrost it. I just let it out defrost by itself. And now I'm going to stir it till it gets nice and crunchy. It doesn't take very long. And you remember, we don't put any water whatsoever. It has a plenty of liquid. So this is my pink salt, and will probably like 8 to 10 minutes, and you just keep stirring. But I have a non-stick pan. It's not sticking, so as you can see, I can just leave it in there for 5-10 minutes. It'll be ready to cook. I'm going to add some more stuff. I'm going to make some create Asian flavor in there. And amino. Okay, well, we're pretty much done, and we're gonna show you once it's done. And you can just garnish it with your favorite topping. I put green scallions. Ooh, yum yum, yum yum. Okay, there you have it. The cauliflower fried rice, cheaper than the takeout at your house. You can make it, trust me. But if you don't, I'll make it, you watch it, and I'll eat it. Okay? Just keep coming back, because I'll be making some more. Yep, click, click.